First, for lab setup, you need Eve-ng. I already told you what is Eve-ng. Okay, it's a simulation software. You don't need to buy any hardware. You can do all your lab easily in this one. So you can download from this link. Okay. I already mentioned in this document, just click on this link, either right click and copy the link and go to any browser and type in browser and download. So when you go to Eve-ng on this link, let me open. So I copy the first link. This one is direct link, Google Drive link. If you don't need to go like this and then click next to it, it's better to copy the second link. Okay, and let me show you the direct link as well. Keep in mind you need to download community edition. So this is the direct link. It's mentioned Eve-ng community OVA. This is a virtual file, okay, OVA. And download, click on this one. So the second link is better to download, because in the first one you may confuse, and you can download because this is community edition. And here two links are mentioned. So don't download ISO. You need to download OVA file because it's easy to deploy, and this one is difficult to deploy. So this one you need to click on mega link, either on Google Drive link. So this the link. It's better to click on Google Drive and download. Okay, the first one, keep in mind. So don't download ISO file. You need to download OVA file. Either if you go to direct link which I mentioned, so Eve Community Edition OVA file. So download this. So this is the first requirement you need. Done, the first link. Then you need a client pack to access the devices. So right click on this link and go to browser. Okay, and you need to download. By the way, it's also available here. When you click on download, where is download? There is, yeah. So there is window client side. So I'm in Eve community, and you can click window client side. If you have window, if you have Mac, then you can click on Mac one, and again you can download from here, either this one, either I already shared the direct link. So it's the direct link. It will open like this, and the name is Eve-ng window. VIN means window client pack. It's required. Okay, click on download and you can download this easily. So two file, Eve community edition, then we download client pack. You need to make ready these things. Next thing is, if I mention the list, this is the thing which we require. So community edition is done, Eve client pack is done. Okay, and now let's go back to another router and switches images, because if you are doing routing and switching is required. Yeah, so click on this link and go to browser, paste them, either you can double click as well. Just click and it will open. Okay, don't need to copy and paste, but I'm doing like this. Next thing, I already shared the router and switches image on this Google Drive. It will open now. You may see here is. So there are two folders with zip format. One is routers and second one is switches. So right click on this one and download. Okay, and click download. I already download, so I don't want to waste the time. Next is right click. Okay, next thing is right click and download switches and download. Done. So it means we download community edition, we download Eve-ng client pack, and we download router and switches. Let's go to another one. Next, you need a software which can upload your devices which we download, router switches. Yeah, this is called Winscp. So right click on this one and go to browser and download. Winscp is a utility which is used to upload the images. Okay, so click on download and this will download as a free utility. Okay, so this one is also done. So we download Eve community edition, client pack, router and switches image, and Winscp we download. Next thing, what you need to do, VMware Workstation. I already copy the key here. So you can use this key to register, otherwise it's not a free edition. So copy this link and download one free from here, from VMware. Here click on download, okay, and it's download. That's it. It will take some time to download, and this the key to use them. I already mentioned 3 keys. Copy any key to register. So VMware is also done. So we download VMware Workstation, Eve Community Edition, Client Pack, Router and Switches, Winscp. Now you need to download 7-zip as well. You know, 7-zip is a free utility to unzip the file. If you don't have WinZip and WinRAR, if you have, then it's okay. You need to download 64-bit, this one. Click on download and download this 7-zip. So when it's done, now the last thing we need other images, and other images, here is a Google Drive. 1000 images are available, whatever you like, but I will install only 8, 9, 10 so that you can see these are the images. So the one which I am interested, we will install one ASA firewall. These are all ASA firewall images. Okay, next thing we will install Big IP, which is F5. They call them Big IP, okay. And then we will install IPS, which we discuss what is IPS. ClearPass, which I was talking about, ClearPass is also available. We will install ESA, and email security appliance, and we will install CSR router, which we discussed in router session in last lecture, okay. CSR router. So cyber roam, what else we need? Yeah, firepower, we discussed firepower. You know, you can download this, right click and download, that's it. Not download all the images. Whenever you require, you can go to this folder and download. Suppose in future it will be available for you, okay. And if you have a hard drive and you have internet access unlimited, then download all the images and save in someone. Like in my hard drive, I already saved, because this link can be closed anytime, anything happen. So it's better to keep them. We will install FortiGate. So right click on FortiGate and download. I already downloaded just to show you how you can do it. Cisco ICE we just discussed. So you can download Cisco ICE, Linux, Kali Linux, which normally I'm using to do attack, which we will use them today as well. So this is Kali Linux. This one is the old version 2.18. It's better to download this one, Linux Kali 2019. And this is tiny core. It's a small Linux. So download this one. And if you are using Python language or any programming, so you can download Ubuntu as well. It's also type of Linux, okay. And what else you need to do? A lot of images are there. Palo Alto firewall. So it's better to download the latest one, which is Palo Alto version 10, okay. And let's go down. So we have a lot of images available, switches images, router images, and we have SD-WAN. If you heard about SD-WAN nowadays everywhere. So these are SD-WAN images, vBound and vEdge and vManage, vSmart. So these are the images, wireless LAN controller images, and Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 8 images, Windows XP images, Windows Server 2008, Windows Server 2012, Windows Server 2016 images, and a lot of images are available. Whatever you require, you need to download. Done. And these are the images. So I already download. It's ready. VMware, Eve Community, Client Pack, Router Switches images, WinSCP, Eve NG QEMU images, and 7-zip. 7-zip is a utility. This is the first part to keep ready all the images. So if I go down and go to program, okay, I already copied there. So I will show you, I already download and I already copied to his system. So I will access his system, then I will show you. So this part is clear, yeah, what you require for lab setup. So let me stop this one.